Someone asked me, what is self love? Self love, I said, is the counterpart of love we have for others when we start to feel special and our heart melts when we see the person we are in love with. But have you ever experienced this with yourself? Seeing yourself in the mirror and embracing how beautiful you are, how perfectly you match with your soul. Have you ever appreciated yourself for your existence? No, we have not. Self love is existent from primordial times, just as all love in the romantic novels and stories we listen to. But I have personally seen promotion of perspectives when it comes to self love. We usually sort out things, and in this process of sorting out, we just forget the reality. वी आर ऑलवेज कॉन्शियस कि भाई मेरा आईलाइनर सही है क्या, स्मच तो नहीं हुआ, भाई मैं ठीक लग रहा हूँ, मैंने सही कलर कोऑर्डिनेट किया है क्या. एंड कलर कोऑर्डिनेशन के चक्कर में वी फॉरगेट दैट वी हैव टू कोऑर्डिनेट आवरसेल्व्स विद आवर इनर सेल्फ, आवर सोल. And when this becomes influence that we coordinate ourselves with our soul, I bet we will love ourselves. I always feel that self love is lost somewhere with the planet Pluto, maybe. And those who really love themselves are a handful of people out of this whole big mass of people in the world. We have forgotten to accept ourselves, and we keep on finding flaws, mistakes, correcting what we lack, just as we color correct when we do makeup because pigmentation है हमारे फेस पे, pigmentation exist करता है. We have just ignored the reason of our existence. If we had to be perfect and we had to exist because we need to please people, we would have already been carved out perfectly by God. Why does He create differences? मैं black, वो white, मैं fat, वो thin, मैं ugly हूँ, वो beautiful है. Why do we always feel this way? यार कितनी clear skin है उसकी, and see mine, it's all filled with pimples. यार कितनी सही बियर्ड है यार उसकी, एंड वाई इज़ माई बियर्ड पैची. योर बियर्ड and your skin does not matter. What matters is that you exist. There is nothing wrong with you or with me. I myself never accept that I have to exist for myself. And I do not smile when I see myself in the mirror. मुझे हमेशा अपनी हर चीज़ ऑन पॉइंट चाहिए, मुझे अपना मेकअप ऑन पॉइंट चाहिए, आई वॉन्ट माई क्लोथ्स ऑन पॉइंट, आई वॉन्ट माई एवरीथिंग परफेक्ट बिकॉज एस्थेटिक नहीं लगेगा. हाउ विल आई प्लीज पीपल इफ आई डोंट लुक परफेक्ट? वाई डू यू रियली नीड टू प्लीज पीपल? हमने कभी ये नहीं सोचा. लिव फॉर योर सेल्फ, एंड हम ये भूल चुके हैं. हमें अपने लिए जीना है, एंड वी हैव फॉरगॉटन टू लिव फॉर आवर सेल्स. वी हैव टू लुक प्लीजिंग बिकॉज हमें अपने आप को सेटिस्फाई करना है. लोगों को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, हमें इससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. फ़र्क हमें इस बात से पड़ना चाहिए कि हमें खुद को अच्छा नहीं फील हो रहा है. वी आर नॉट फीलिंग कॉन्फिडेंट, वी आर नॉट फीलिंग प्लीजिंग, वी आर नॉट pleasing to our souls, we are not pleasing to our heart. And when this self love and self acceptance becomes influential, you will be thankful for this life, for this existence, every single minute, every single second. And you will still feel indebted to God for giving you such a beautiful life. This is your way to care for your soul, to heal yourself, to give yourself some rest because you know you're tired of living in the way world wants to you. Be yourself, accept yourself, love yourself.